Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will continue from where we left and we will talk about while and do while loops. Just to recall, loops are used to execute a block of code repeatedly based on a certain condition. Then we classified loops in C into three main types: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. We talked about for loops in the previous video, but today we will talk about while and do while loops. A while loop executes a block of code as long as the specified condition is true. In a while loop, the condition is checked before the execution of the loop's block of statements. If the condition is false initially, the block of statements will not be executed at all. This is the syntax: while inside parentheses condition, then inside curly braces, code to be executed repeatedly. A do while loop is similar to while loop, but the block of code is executed at least once before the condition is tested for subsequent iterations. In a do while loop, the block of statements is executed first, and then the condition is checked. This ensures that the block of statements is executed at least once, even if the condition is false. Here is the syntax: do, then inside curly braces, you have to write the code, then outside the curly braces, you have to use while loop and then specify the condition. Let's head to VS Code for practical examples. I will open a file, code loop.c. Now I will use while and do while loops. Hash include inside angle brackets stdio.h, then end main inside parentheses void, then inside curly braces end I equals to 0, then a semicolon, then while inside parentheses I less than 3, then inside curly braces printf inside parentheses and quotations hello, comma, world, \n, then a semicolon, then I++, then again a semicolon. Now if I compile this, make loop and then ./loop, you can see it outputs hello world twice. Now I will use do while loop. End I equals to 5, semicolon, do inside curly braces printf inside parentheses and quotations hello, comma, world, \n, then a semicolon, then I++, semicolon, and then outside curly braces while inside parentheses I less than 3, then a semicolon. In this example, the variable I is initialized to 5 and the condition I less than 3 is false from the beginning. However, since it is a do while loop, the block of code inside the loop will still be executed at least once. Now if I compile and run it, make loop ./loop, you can see it outputs hello world despite the condition in the above code being false. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Like and subscribe. Have a nice time.